Real time. Ready?
All right.
Go.
All right. So the last question of the lab asks you what happened to the energy, right? When we started off, the little pipe had some energy for sure. And actually we just calculated it, and we know that there's both kinetic and potential energy all the way down as this thing falls to the ground. But what happens when it lands? What's its energy now? Sitting on the floor, it's not moving, so it can't have kinetic energy, right? If it doesn't have velocity, it doesn't have kinetic energy. Does it have any more height for potential energy? No. H is 0. So if H is 0, it's got no potential energy either. So it looks as though our little pipe is out of energy, right? 0 kinetic, 0 potential energy. But that would violate the first law of thermodynamics. It says energy can neither be created nor destroyed. So what happened? What happens to energy? What happened to its energy when it hit the ground? Listen carefully. When it hits, right? Oop, it ran into my feet. We heard sound, right? So sound waves, it's a form of waste heat. When that pipe hit the ground, it made a little bit of friction. There was some waste heat produced there, okay? Little tiny vibrations that went through the floor in all directions, right? That energy did not disappear. It was simply converted to waste heat. So it actually followed the second law of thermodynamics and converted that little bit of energy, potential and kinetic energy, into waste heat, okay? Specifically, sound waves, vibrations through the ground, and heat from friction when it hit the ground.